We are standing in front of a 2010 Forest River Georgetown 360 DS double slide. It is, as you can tell, a full body paint job that's in fantastic condition. It's sitting on solid aluminum wheels, brand new tires throughout the coach. You've got side mount cameras as well as a rear backup camera. Full size slide in the living area with a awning over it. We call it a slide out cover. Keeps you nice and cool on the inside. But take a look at this paint job. Beautiful condition. Just recently detailed, actually, just about a week or so ago. The owners went ahead and did it themselves. They've maintained this coach very well. So this coach is a 2010. It's on an F53 chassis. It has 50,660 miles on it. So relatively low mileage for a 2010. They put new tires on it. They put new Bilstein shocks. So they were doing this for themselves and then decided it was time to downsize. So they're going to be selling this. We're going to be selling this. Let's give you a walkabout here. Got plenty of pictures inside and out on both RVT and our website and up on Facebook very soon. This coach is in really exceptional condition for its year. And they also, on the interior, we'll take a look here in just a moment. Just to give you an idea, the F53 chassis, this happens to be the high rail chassis. Open, where you have pass-through storage, so you can actually open doors on both sides and be able to go see on the other side. Those are your entry contacts. As we step into the coach, you'll see they put down newly installed laminate wood plank floors in the driving compartment, in the living area, and in the galley. This is actually a bath and a half. So you have a half bath up near the kitchen and then a full bath on the other side of the queen bed slide. Take a look here. This also comes with power shades. They installed it themselves after the fact. Power shades, day shade, as well as night shades. So it's a very nice, and they just recently reupholstered the front captain's chairs. Beautiful. This is beautiful work here. So it's a nicely equipped coach. It's designed for full-timers or for those that want to spend an extended period of time. They replaced the love seat with recliners, love seat recliners. They are seat belted, so you can still utilize seat belts throughout. It's designed now just to accommodate 4 people. You've got a 4-door fridge, so you've got ample space. Again, we have pictures on board. All of this additional storage. So look at that. Tremendous amount. So if you're just a weekend warrior or you're planning on taking more time on the road, you can certainly easily accommodate. But look at that beautiful floor. Look at all that counter space. Beneath this counter space is actually additional cupboard space, but behind the wall here are connections for a washer dryer should you decide to install a washer dryer. It's already prepped for it. So we go into our first bathroom. This is the half bath, as you can see here. Again, nicely appointed. And now we look at the rear bedroom. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Tremendous amount of closet space, as you can see in here. Put a little light on the subject. Ample drawers, nice little vanity for makeup, and then we step back into the master bath. So you've got quite a bit of storage space here. Full-size shower, place to sit down. Take a look at this coach from this perspective. Look at that. So it's a 50 amp coach, rooftop, 2 rooftop ACs. You have a 6500 Generac generator, power everything up. You've got TVs in both the living area as well as the bedroom. This TV will certainly come out and accommodate whoever's sitting here, as you can see. Again, this is a 2010 Georgetown, Forest River Georgetown 360 DS, denoting double slides. You've got the slide in the bedroom, bath and a half, very nicely appointed, very clean. If there is have any questions or any interest, we'll have this video certainly up on RVT as well as our website. You can reach us at 727-233-2120. That's 727-233-2120. We are located out here on US 19, just south of New York Avenue. We are at 14802 US Highway 19 in Hudson at 34667. Again, we are J&J RV, as this sign denotes, 727-233-2120. I'm John Clayton. My business partner is John Dillinger, thus J&J RV. We try to keep it simple. If we can be of any help to you, please let us know. We have many coaches out here, both Class A's, Class C's, B pluses, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, you name it, we have it. Thank you very much.